Hello everybody! Thank you so much for tuning into this channel. It is Grace Torie here. Welcome back or welcome to. Don't forget to hit that subscribe or that notification bell if you are new here or if you are visiting and haven't yet to join in on the fun. So for today's video, I'm doing something super fun that I've wanted to do for a long time. I talked about it in my last video. So I wanted to start this series called If Blank Wore Makeup. And basically it would just be a way that I could combine all of their personalities into a makeup look, because I can't draw, and so like this is my form of art, and so like pay tribute to these artists and like notice how unique and cool they are by doing a makeup look that kind of combines everything that they are. So I thought that I would start with Harry Styles, but never fear, I am going to be doing all kinds of people. So comment below who I should do next. Should I do any other One Direction boy? Should I do Luke Hemmings, Five Sauce? Anybody that you can think of. I will take all of their personality, all of their style, and make it into a cool little makeup look, because this is such a fun series and I can't wait to do it. So yeah, I don't really want to talk too much and make this intro super long, so I am going to say that I love Harry. He's kind of dope. He's really dope, and I can't wait for you guys to see how I did my makeup. Obviously you can see it because I'm wearing it. Okay, let's get right into the video. Okay, so as usual, this eye is completed, so you have an idea of what it looks like, and I am going to do this eye for you so you know how to do it. So the first thing we are going to be doing is taking Wealthy from the Blue Blood palette. Going to be taking this brush, and we are going to be putting Wealthy on our lid, just as a base color. And once we have Wealthy set, we are going to go in with Crystal Flesh. So that is this color right here. As you can see, I love Crystal Flesh and I've used it quite a bit. And Crystal Flesh is going to go on our lid. Okay, it sounds like someone's weed whacking or something, but like, you know, apartment life, so might be. Sorry about that. So we are going to completely put a generous amount of Crystal Flesh on our eye to make sure that it's not really transparent and it's more sparkly. And then once we have a good amount of Crystal Flesh on our lid, we are going to be taking Diet Root Beer. Diet Root Beer is also in the Conspiracy palette, but it's also in the mini, so either one will work. I think they're actually taking it out. They're taking one of them out to put the green one in, but this is the original mini palette, so it has Diet Root Beer. And we are going to take this and put it on our lid. And this is just your classic simple smoky eye. I don't know what that sound is. The second I try and film, I've literally been sitting here for an hour. Oh! And the second I try to film, these people. Anyway, so you see how it blends out like on its own? You can keep that blended, or you can add a little bit more Diet Root Beer to make it more brown. Or honestly, the main focus here is like a natural smoky brown look. So as long as you have that, it doesn't really matter what colors you use. So if you don't have these exact colors, don't worry about it. So next I am going to be taking Ranch from Conspiracy, because I found that Ranch is actually lighter than the Cullinan color in Blue Blood, which is funny because that color, that like theme is like white and ice, but Ranch is whiter. So I'm just going to close my eye and pat the inner corner of my eye, and that's a little bright. Yeah, so that is all we are going to do for eyeshadow on our upper portion of our eye. So now is the fun part. Harry does a lot for gay rights, and he wears a lot of rainbow, and he's kind of made it like a theme of his with his merch and stuff, so I definitely wanted to incorporate that into this look. So I am going to be doing, I keep doing that. I'm going to be doing rainbow under my eye. Okay. We're good. This is a mess. So I'm going to be taking this bright red called Flaming Hot with this brush. It's not the best brush for this. If you have a better brush to do like precise under eye stuff, let me know, because I need one. Okay, so we're just going to do the very first portion of our eye. And I'm not doing a ton because we have to fit all of the colors. So just enough. Yeah. And now I am going to be taking cheese dust, which is this orange color, because we're going Roy G. Biv, ladies. And the orange is going to go next to the red, obviously. And I'm trying to make all of these pop as much as possible. So if you feel like they don't pop enough, you can obviously go back in and cover them after the fact. I definitely went through and touched this up after the fact. So once you have cheese dust, you're going to go in with food videos. It's this bright neon yellow, and it's perfect for this look. Probably my favorite that goes under the eye. So and be careful so that your colors don't mix, because they will obviously make different colors than what you want to mix. So now that that is on, I'm going to go back in with cheese dust because that kind of stole the show. And then I'm going to go back in with Flaming Hot because it is looking a little pink. Okay. Next, I don't really have like a bright green, but honestly, this Conspiracy green is really pretty, I think, and it still shows up as pretty green. So I'm going to put that right here. It also complements the yellow really well because the yellow is so bright. If you can see that. Oh, it's going to be, I'll like zoom in after and show you what comes next. So next I am going into Blue Blood because no one has a better blue than Blue Blood, and I'm going to be taking this electric colored blue. It's called Blue Monday, and I love this color. This is probably one of my most used colors, believe it or not, when I do like creative looks, because it's just so pretty. So Blue Monday is going to take up the rest of our lid for the most part. And then we are going to take Controversy in the mini palette, which is this color. And Controversy is going to go kind of in the spot where our eyeliner is going to meet our under eye. So it's almost like going along with the eyeliner. So this one flares out a little bit more. Yep. So that is it for the eyeshadow. It's a lot more simple than it seems. I am going to be taking, where is it? Uh-oh. Okay. So now I am going to be taking my eyeliner and doing a quick wing. I'm not going to talk so I can focus on it. Hardest part about eyeliner is making both of your eyes match, because you can do a really good line on one eye and a really good line on the other eye, but if they don't match, like, it just doesn't work. So now I'm going in to make sure they match. Usually I do my eyeliner together, but since I wanted to do this eye so that you guys have an idea of what it looks like, I did this eyeliner earlier, so I'm off my game. We're going to call that a win. So once your eyeliner is on, it is time to get our eyes ready for our false lashes. So go ahead and put on your normal false lashes, but if you have the magnetic ones like I do, I'm going to go ahead and put the magnet liner stuff on to dry. So you gotta be really careful with this stuff because it'll go on really thick and then it's hard to get off. So I'm gonna be really careful about that. Okay, see how that went on a bit thicker and made my eyeliner look 1,000 times thicker? It does that, so if you do use magnetic eyeliner, that is something to keep in mind. So while that is drying, we are going to do our eyebrows. Where is my, there it is. So I use Wow Brow for my brows. As we know, I've talked about this 1,000 times. I love this product. Other people have started noticing my eyebrows and love this product as well, so that's pretty dope. So definitely recommend this product. It's drugstore, so it's not going to break the bank. And it actually, I think it goes on really nicely. As I mess up. Oh no. Oh boy. Okay, so I just really messed up. I'll fix that in a second. Ignore the fact that I literally messed up. And look at how nice my brow looks. Other than that one part. So I'm going to fix this, BRB. But now I am just going to be adding my falsie now that my magnet has dried. If I can get it off. There we go. So since this is magnetic, we just have to pop that bad boy on top of the liner. And it automatically figures out itself. So it's good to go. We don't have to worry about the glue drying. Now I need mascara, as usual. Pumped up mascara. I'm going to make sure that I placed it correctly on the liner. Here we go. Okay, so now that that is done, it is time to do our face. So we are just going to add some contour. I'm going to be using Celebrity Skin from Blue Blood. I know it's an eyeshadow, but we've talked about this. I'm pale as heck. Why? Oh, man. My camera's gonna die. This is like so stressful. We gonna figure this out, guys. I need to be charging my camera at night now that I'm filming every day. Hee hee. Okay. I think I fixed all the blue that was on my face. So continue. It's still there. My face is still blue. We're doing great. Okay, I'm not going to add blush today because honestly, I feel like Harry is pretty natural. He wouldn't really wear blush unless it's like fall. I don't know, I get that vibe from him. I feel like he would probably wear like makeup similar to Taylor Swift, but a little bit more out there, if that makes any sense. So I'm just going to be adding my nude lipstick. This is from Forever 21. Any nude lipstick will work. Or if you want to be bold and use some red lipstick, you go, girl. Okay. I'm just gonna make this a little less in your face, because even for a nude, it's like in your face. And now that this is complete, we're gonna go into a montage.
Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song. I want more berries and that summer feeling. It's so wonderful.
Okay guys, this is my completed look. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun creating this, and comment somebody that you want me to do for the next portion of this series below. I'm so excited to do this. I think it's such a fun little creative thing to be doing, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this a like, a comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.
Breathe me in.